Hi guys! Welcome ulit sa ating little video na pinamagatang ating A Little to the Left. Not sponsored though, but let's play it together. Let's see. Alright guys, welcome ulit. Thank you for watching. Let's see what's up. Ngayon, another organization na naman tayo. Let's see if we can organize this. Books. I like books. I think I have a weird thing about books kasi I don't know, I think I just collect books and hindi ko sila binabasa masyado. So I think magkaiba yung I think there are two different kinds of keeping books. It's like you're keeping books kasi you want to collect them, and then you're keeping books kasi gusto mo silang basahin. So I think I am both. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. This reminds me of yung apartment sa Hong Kong. I haven't been there though. This is a nice game actually. It's relaxing. It's relaxing. So what to do now? Should I put them together by height or by space? By section? We're missing one. Ooh, andun pala siya. Alright, we got a star. This is nice actually. I like this type of puzzle. Yung parang post-it notes. And then parang makakapag-reveal siya ng like an image. Let's see. Let's just put them together. Let's see. Let's see. I have like a weird feeling that yung mga dulo is like this one should be like sa corner siya dito, and then this one should be like sa baba. Might be. So just like so there should be like maybe a circle that goes around down like this. No, maybe this one. So ano pa nagsulat nito? Oh, we got a star! That's good. That looks like my handwriting. It's getting difficult. This is nice. I like the aesthetic. So let's see. Only have one yellow. So let's put my beer here. We have two. Let's just pagsama-samahin muna natin yung mga magkukulay. Maybe meron tayong idea how to do it. Oh, okay. So we get two of the dark peach. Might be goes here. We got three reds. Baka dyan natin pwede ilagay. And then we have four darks. Goes here. That's nice. And then the rest should be right there. All right, that's a good one. I like that one. I like it. I like it so much.